Good morning to all. Let's start. Take time to breathe inhale, exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Head spine back. Three time Om chanting. Deep inhale. Sanjam Sammajam Sambo Manam Sejanata Deva Bhavam Yatha Purve Sanjana Upasate Sanjana Upasate Sanjana Upasate. May you move in harmony. May you speak in unison. Let our mind be oneness like in the beginning. Let the divinity manifest in your sacred universe. Oh, peace, peace, peace. Gently rub your palm. And apply on your three sides. And feel the energy of the palm and transmitting energy to the eyes, face, muscles. And gently lower the symbol, open your eyes. Let us start. Stand up. Join your feet together. Keep your posture erect, feet to shoulder. Arms by the side, palm touching thighs. Neck movement, inhale, raise your head up. Completely tilt backward and try to touch back of the neck. And exhale, bend forward, touch the chest with the chin. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale and relax. Next, bend your head right side. Bring your right ear near the right shoulder. Try to touch your right ear with the right shoulder. And feel the stretch of both side of the neck. Inhale, come to the center. And exhale, sink on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale and relax. Next, twist your head right side, bring your chin near the right shoulder, right thighs comfortable. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, turn left side similarly. Inhale to the center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And relax, relax. Next, head rotation. Bend your head down, then take right turn. And inhale backward. Exhale forward. Do 5 rounds clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Slowly, awareness on your breathing and sit as of the neck. After completing 5 rounds, then reverse. Eyes may be open and closed. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And slowly relax for completing 5 times. Deep inhale and exhale. Keep your eyes closed for a few seconds. And keep the sensation of the neck. Deep inhale, exhale. Next, palm tree pose. Join your feet together. Interlock your fingers, front of the chest, straighten your arms, palm facing out. Inhale, stretch your arm up. And stretch. Lift your heel off the floor. And hold this position. Upper arm should be touches the ears. Inhale, breath normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower the hand, resting on the head. Again, inhale, stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax, hand resting on the head. Do according to your capacity. Next, final round. Inhale, again stretch up. And lift your heels off the floor and stretch. Keep your upper arm with the ears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lower the arms by the side and relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Hand resting on the waist. Keep your eyes closed and relax. Next, swaying palm tree pose. Keep comfortable gap between each 1.5 foot apart. Raise your arms up, interlock your fingers, stretch up, then gently turn right side from the lower back, only bend from the side and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, left side. Keep your arms straight and look upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Inhale, come to the center. Stretch up. Exhale, bend right side. And hold. Keep your arms straight. Bend only from the side. Don't bend forward. 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold according to your capacity. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come to the center and relax. Lower the arms by the side. Deep inhale, exhale. Relax your body. Normalize your breath. Next, forearm movements. Bhujbali Sartulika Kriya. Arms by the side. Inhale, raise your arms up. Stretch up, palm facing out. Don't touch your palms. Exhale, lower the arms and don't touch your thighs. Inhale, let's pass. Exhale, down. Doing dynamic way. Inhale, exhale. Keep your elbow straight, arm straight and steady. Inhale, exhale. 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 Relax, relax. Keep separate. Keep inhale, exhale. Normalize your breath. Next, Purna Bhuja Sartipikasa Kriya. Strengthening whole arm. Keep comfortable gap between your feet. Close your fist tight and keep your arms steady. Inhale, hold your breath, blow out your cheeks, then rotate your arms, and finally exhale front of the chest forcefully. Let us start. Inhale. Forceful exhalation. Then reverse simply. Inhale, rotate your arms. Relax, relax, deep inhale, exhale. Excellent for lungs. Next, join your feet together, elbow bending. Close your fist tight, bend your elbow. Bring the fist near the shoulders and inhale this movement. Exhale, bend down, straight down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Next, strengthening upper arms. Keep your arms at 90 degrees and exhale forceful front of the chest. And again bend. Don't move your elbow. But exhale. 1, 2, 3. Forceful exhalation. 4, 5, 6, 7. Do with the jerk. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax, relax, lower the hand, deep inhale, exhale. Next, strengthening upper palm, upper side of the palm, with both arms at shoulder level, palm facing down, fingers closed. And then bend your wrist. Exhale down, fingers pointing towards the floor. Inhale, fingers pointing towards the ceiling. Exhale, let's fast. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then slowly front of the chest, inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax, deep inhale, exhale. Next is strengthening the palms. Raise your palms at shoulder level, fingers open as wide as possible. Then bend down your wrist. Press down as tight as possible. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's fast. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep your elbow straight. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax. Then similarly front of the chest. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Next, Madhibandha Naman. Raise both arms at shoulder level. Close your fist tight and bend down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then rotate clockwise, then down. Inhale, upper movement, exhale, downward movement. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax, relax, deep inhale, exhale. Next is strengthening chest region. Inhale, raise your arm from the front. Up and stretch up. Exhale over the arms, resting on the thighs. Inhale, do fast. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Relax, relax. Taking duration of this practice. Excellent for respiratory disorders, lungs, increase capacity of the lungs. Keep comfortable between the feet and raise both arms from the front. Inhale up and exhale over the arms, roll back, tilt your head. Inhale up, exhale down from the front. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, exhale. Relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Normalize the breath. Next, developing abdominal muscles. Keep comfortable gap between feet. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, place your hand on your knees. Keep your elbows straight. And deep inhale, exhale forcefully with abdominal reason. It's like a bellows of blacksmith. Forceful exhalation, inhalation. Keep your spine straight through the practice. Transfer upper body weight on your knees and do at least 20 times. Whenever you tired, then repeat again 2-3 times. Inhale, deep inhale, exhale, move fast. One more time, inhale and exhale. Relax, relax, come to the normal. Deep inhale, exhale, normalize the breath. Second variation, avoid holding breath, close up and form high blood pressure, cardiac problem. Inhale, raise your arms up, then exhale, completely exhale. Breath should be out and then move your stomach in and out forcefully. Make a maximum stroke without breath. Retain your breath out. Whenever you're tired and control your breath and repeat again and again. Two, 3, 4 times inhale, make sure you are doing without breath. Completely breath should be out. And try to do maximum stroke. Come to the center and relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Third variation. Similarly, inhale, then exhale, place your palm on your knees. Completely exhale, and then pull your stomach in and hold. Make a little room on your navel region. Hold your breath out and pull your stomach in. Try to touch your navel to the spine inside. Hold as long as possible, then repeat when you lose your breath. Keep your elbows straight through the practice, spine erect. Only bend from lower back. And look straight forward, don't bend your head. Then slowly relax, come to the center. Deep inhale, exhale. Excellent practice for abdominal ailments. Next, Chati Sakti Vikasa. Developing chest, waist region. Seat comfortable between your feet. Raise both arms at shoulder level and forcefully exhale side side. Twist your upper body to the right. Keep your body straight. Inhale, come to the center. Arms straight, elbows straight. Exhale, bend left side twist. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Go fast. Inhale, exhale, 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 inhale, and relax, relax, keep inhale, exhale, normalize your breath. Very good. Next, join your feet together and hold your wrist behind of the back. Hold left hand wrist with the right hand. Keep your elbow straight and tight, shoulder tight. And inhale, bend backward from the lower back as far as comfortable. And exhale, bend forward, keeping your spine erect. And bend more than 90 degrees. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up, bend backward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up. Stretch back. Exhale. Keeping your spine erect. Look straight forward. Inhale. Exhale. Relax, relax, relax. Third variation. Join your feet together. Inhale, bend backwards in the knee. Exhale, bend forward. Keep your head straight forward, look forward. And raise your arms up towards the back as high as possible. Bend your back. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, backward. Exhale. Continue, do fast. Inhale up. Do together. Exhale, forward. Bend forward. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. And relax, relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Next variation. Separate your feet 4-5 foot apart. Hold your waist. Place your palm on the waist. Inhale, bend backward. Exhale, bend forward. Look straight and bend, 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 bend. As far as comfortable. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do according your capacity. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Come to the center and relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Normalize your breath. Next, swing your legs side to side. Bend your feet first and resting on the waist. And raise your right leg in that 10 times both sides and reach as high as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then similarly forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Then kick your buttocks. Bend your knee backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next, bring your knee to the chest and touch your shoulders one by one. Then exhale while bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Next, knees movement. Keep comfortable there with feet. Bend your knees. Then rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax, relax, deep inhale, exhale. Next, lift your heel off the floor, bring your feet together, and lift your heel up, and exhale down, inhale up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax. Next, lift your heel and don't touch your heels on the ground and move your heel up and down. Up to 10. Without touching floor, move up and down. And feel the stretching on your calf muscles. Relax, relax. Next, lift your toes alternately one by one. Get normal. Stretch up. This will be more relaxing. Do 10 times. Then relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Normalize your breath. Next, tree pose. Join your feet together. Bend your right knee. Place right sole inside of the left thigh. Keep your knee straight toward right side. Take support of wall, chair. Again, stretch your arms and raise up to Namaskar Mudra. And stretch up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And exhale, lower the arms and release your leg. Singly to left side. Keep your knee straight to the left side. Inhale, stretch your arms tight. And join in Namaskar Mudra. And stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower the arms. Release your left leg. And repeat. Again, one more round from the right side. And hold for 20 as long as possible. Inhale. Stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your arms straight, elbows straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Gently lower the arms, release your right leg. Then do left side. Very good practice for concentration and balance. Inhale, stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. Lower the arms, with your back, continue exhale. Next, Nataraj Asana. Bend your left knee Hold your ankles right. Raise your right arm up towards the right side and stretch your left ankle up. Open your knee as wide as possible and balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move your right hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change other side. Similarly, hold your right ankle. First balance yourself. Then raise your right leg up, stretch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax. One more time. Hold your left ankle with your left hand. Easy up and rest normal. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open your knee as wide as possible. Relax, relax, relax. If you are not comfortable, take support of wall, chair, furniture, anywhere. Then do left side one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, relax, repeating the same. Normalize your breath. Take 2 deep breaths. Next concentration. Stand in front of mat. Join your feet together. Raise your arms by the side, stretch up. Bring both the palms on top of the chest in Namaskar Mudra. 2, turn your palm out and raise your arms up and move backward as far as comfortable. And 3, bend forward, keeping arms spine straight and hand resting on the floor. Four, bring your leg to back as far as comfortable and raise your head up, look back. This is runner pose, Aswasanchalanasana. 5, bring your right foot back beside the left foot. Bring your head near the knees and heels down. 6, bend your knees, touch the ground and touch your chest on the ground. Elbow touching your armpit. Hips, stitch your hips up. 7, raise your arm, head up. 8, mountain pose. 9, bring your leg to front, bring the hand and look up in the runner pose. 10, Padastasana. 11, Urdhva Hastasana. And 12, Namaskar Mudra. Let's do one more round. 2, raise your arms up. 3, 4, 5, 6, bend your knees. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. One more round. I will observe you. 1, 2, do one more round. 2, 3, continue do Surya Namaskar. 3, Padhastasana, forward bending. 4, bring your left foot back. Look up and hold according to your capacity. 5, right foot back. Keeps your hips up, heels down, knees straight. And sit, bend your knees. Touch your chest, keep your hips up. 7, cobra pose. 8, mountain pose. 9, 10, Padhastasana, forward bending. 11, Urdhva Uttanasana, raise your arms up and back. And 12, relax. Now lie down on Savasana for 2 minutes. Immediately lie down on Savasana. Deep inhale, exhale, normalize your breath. Do reverse counting, 15 to 1. Inhale, exhale is a 15, considerably 14. While inhaling, expand your abdominal muscles as high as possible. And while exhaling, squeeze abdominal muscles as low as possible. And after completing the counting, turn from the left side and sit. Sit in any meditative pose, Sukhasana, Padmasana, or lotus pose, full lotus pose. And try to do Padmasana. Keep your head spine erect. Both hand in Gyan Mudra. Just touch your tips of the thumb and index finger. Keep your eyes closed to the practice till the end. And do Kapalbhati. 100 rounds. 30 start. Forceful exhalation and passive inhalation. Expel your breath forcefully. Awareness between eyebrow center. Slowly relax, relax. Deep inhale, exhale. Those suffering from high blood pressure, thyroid problem, do Kapalabhati. Breathe carefully. Next, Anulom Vilom, psychic network purification. Keep your left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Use your right hand thumb, block your right nostril, and inhale through the left nostril, and then exhale through the right nostril. And again inhale through the right, and exhale to the left. This is a one round, two rounds. Count your breath while inhaling and exhaling. Both side breaths should be equally. Keep your eyes closed, head spine erect, and fully focus on your breath. Strengthens your breath day by day. And if you are inhaling more than 10 seconds, then retain your breath for 20 seconds and exhale during 10 seconds. Maintain the ratio 1:2. Slowly relax with the left nostril. Don't end with in between, only end with the left nostril.
Here are 5 reasons why I love the Huawei Watch and more than the Apple Watch. First of all,
Deep inhale, exhale. Next, do Brahmari. Plug your ear with the thumb. Excellent practice for great practice of meditation. And deep inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. And produce humming sound while exhaling loudly, just like a humming bee. And slowly lower the hand, relax, deep inhale, exhale, and experience, feel same sound of Bhramari as you did. Listen that sound, mentally listen that sound, experience that sound. Now let's do meditation. You need not to concentrate, just keep mind focused between eyebrow center. And if possible, let the dissolve your thoughts and attain one pure thought and constantly concentrate that thought. And mentally feel the divinity. Now do thanks of God mentally, your favorite God, basically. And we know our shortcomings and take place. We will avoid our mistakes, remove our mistake, which is highest shortcoming, take place and mentally repeat 10 times that place. We will improve ourselves. Repeat place 10 times mentally. And now slowly let's do prayer for happiness of all living creatures, living beings. Deep inhale. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Shantu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadram Pashyantu. Ma Kasyid Dukhabhag Bhavet. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Shantu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadram Pashyantu. Ma Kasyid Dukhabhag Bhavet. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Shantu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadram Pashyantu. Ma Kasyid Dukhabhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Oh, peace, peace, peace. Gently rub your palm and rub your palm till it becomes heated and warm. And apply the palm on your eyes, face muscles, and feel the energy transmitting to the eyes, face muscles. Gently lower your palm, fingers, open your eyes. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you for sharing your video. I hope you all enjoyed.